What's up guys, it's Simone on the microphone here. I am going to be doing a video today about cleaning and organizing my bathroom drawer. In the morning I feel like it takes me forever to get ready, and that's just because I can never find like my mascara or my makeup or anything, you know. So I went and got some stuff from the Container Store and I'm going to organize it and see how pretty I can make it. So before I do that though, I am going to be doing a face mask while I make this video. Might as well do two things at once, always busy. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face mask and then I'm going to go ahead and organize. Before I do my face mask, I'm going to put on my Noxema really quickly and just give my face a nice clean wash. Okay, now that my face is washed, I'm going to go ahead and do my face mask. I'm going to be doing my charcoal gel face mask, and I'm going to be using this to apply it. I got this for Christmas. Okay, so today I did choose to do my charcoal gel face mask. It comes with two others, so I have a clay option and a Dead Sea Minerals option. Like I said, I got this for Christmas. It was a while ago, but I use these every so often. But the charcoal one says, charcoal gel face mask is infused with natural charcoal, which acts like a magnet to gently draw out deep dwelling dirt, oil, and impurities from your clogged pores and lifts away dead skin cells without over drying. Your face will look clearer and feel softer from the inside out. So definitely ready to see what the results are on this one while I organize my drawer. Okay, so this is my drawer. It goes pretty deep in there. And it's just messy. So I'm just gonna pull everything out. Q-tips, my makeup bag that has like baby oil in it, deodorant, my dog's treats, gel, makeup palettes, Okay, so now that I have everything out the drawer, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from the Container Store. Not sure if everything's going to work in there. I didn't really measure it. I just kind of found things that were on sale or weren't super expensive because I wasn't trying to spend like a pretty penny. I was just trying to get this organized so that it's efficient for me. So I will show you guys what I got. Okay, so my Container Store bag. I got this acrylic container. It was $8.97. It was originally $17. I'm not sure if it'll fit in there or not, but we will try. I got this right here to organize my palettes. I believe this was $7. It's originally for like a desk, like an office space, but I thought it would be able to organize my palettes. I got this cute little shelf that I could put in there and put things underneath and on top of. I got this other shelf. It opens up. And like I said, I just found cute things. The last thing I got actually goes on top of the drawer. You spread it out and then it sits there. So I will show you guys how that works. Okay, so first up, I'm going to try this one and see if it actually fits. It will go close, but I don't actually think I will use it in here. Let's see. I might leave that there. Let's see. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It looks like it's going to be a lot easier to get ready in the morning. I did have some things that I didn't put in there. For example, my Q-tips, and that's just because there's just like 4 left. So I'll probably get something cute to hold these. I might eventually go and get something to hold these, like that can stand up in here. That way I have more room in here. But as you can see, I have my makeup brushes and things like that, my makeup. You know, it kind of makes sense. It's kind of easier to use. I can do that, I can do that. I gotta get my deodorant, it's here. You know, everything's where actually has a place. So let's hope I can keep it organized, but it definitely makes it a lot easier to use. And I'm gonna get organize a few things up here by the sink and show you guys that too. Okay, so I showed you my drawer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and organize a few things by the sink and show you guys what I do there as well. Okay, so this is the sink I share with my roommate. So I have my toothbrushes here, my spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and put this shelf over here. Okay, so this is my area over here. I'm right at the edge of the counter, if you can't see that. Yep, so this is my area. I also have some things in here, which I never use, I don't know why, so maybe I will repurpose that or put some other things in there. And then now I'm gonna show you my drawer again. So that's the finished product here. I can grab things from here. I can grab things from here, from here. So I feel like it's definitely a lot more organized than I had it, and I'm really happy. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned off my face. But thanks for watching. Definitely click that subscribe button and that like button. Simone on the microphone. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys like to keep in your bathroom drawer or on your bathroom counter. And maybe I can add those to mine, or maybe something I realized I should put up there. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.